I'm Connie Center, Director of Design and Construction for Torrance Memorial Medical Center, and we're so glad you joined us today for an update on the Hunt Cancer Center building. As we go into the building, I want you to think about the fact that we have a very short 10 weeks until this building gets turned over to Torrance Memorial. So come with me and let's check on progress. Well, we're hoisting 2 air handler units, each weighing 13,000 pounds. This is being accomplished with a 220-ton crane behind me. We're doing this with 2 crews today, one on the ground and one on the rooftop. There's one person who's allowed to communicate with the crane operator to make this lift a success. So our hoist of the 2 air handler units is complete, and it went very smoothly. You can see right here behind me one of the air handler units on this little pedestal. And it went quickly. You know, it took probably longer to assemble the crane this morning than it did to get these air handler units hoisted. We're joined up here on the roof today by Murray Company Superintendent Ron Oberlander. So Ron, tell us a little bit about what an air handler does.
Well, Connie, an air handler provides heating and cooling for the building. It's the heart of the system. These units here happen to be DX cooling units that utilize refrigeration for the cooling process and gas for the heating process. It provides air throughout the building.
That's fantastic. Well, thank you for spending a little bit of time with us today. It was great to have the crew on the ground, great to have the crew up on the roof, and great to show people behind the scenes what has to happen to bring this building to life.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Well, thank you for joining us today, and I hope you found our update today on the Hunt Cancer Center to be interesting. You got to see behind the scenes those things that no one ever gets to see. Please stay tuned for more updates on the Hunt Cancer Center project.